called the BERTHA. You want to go to AmishBuiltCabins.com. The link is in the bio. You want to click on Park Model RVs, and I'm going to put a bunch of interior photos on it and these videos on there. And again, remember too, this one here on the lot is for sale. But let's say you want to order one custom, you want to change the colors and customize it. Guys, you're welcome to do that as well. Just give us a call. Let us know how you want us to do it, and we can do it custom for you, okay? This got the black roof on it and dark brown D-log siding. Got the pine siding on it. You can see here, that's where your mini split is in the living room. Like I was telling you earlier, you got your 4-axle trailer that it's built on. Okay, this is what the back side of it looks like here. This thing's ready to go, like I said. And you're welcome to come pick it up too, or we can call our transportation guys and get a quote. We can pretty much ship this anywhere in the country, guys. It's on wheels, so this one's ready to ship. So if you're interested in it, I gotta hold on to it for at least another couple weeks to make some videos, and then you can come grab it. So if you're interested, the first deposit gets it. 10% down to lock it in. Look at that big old bay window. You've seen it from the inside. Just a beautiful cabin, guys. Again, built by the Amish. We ship it nationwide. This is the one we call the BERTHA Park Model RV. This is the BERTHA Park Model RV. Again, my name is Osi. You guys call me the Cabin Cowboy. Give me a call today. 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. A quick walk again. Just inside, a little walkthrough. Beautiful day, by the way. Look at them puffy clouds. I feel like Bob Ross in them photos, you know. Look at them puffy clouds and happy trees. Again, guys, where's my Gen Xers and baby boomers at? If you're Gen X, baby boomer, comment what year you was born below. I'm a 1979 classic car model. Comment what year you was born below, so I know I got my people watching me. Not just the young bucks. I want some of my OGs. Where's my OGs at? Again, comment what year you was born if you're Gen X. Baby boomer, much love to you. Shout out Gen X, baby boomers, specifically the Gen X guys. That's my people. And again, guys, thank you so much for watching my content. I appreciate it. Don't forget to smash it. Hit the like, hit the share, hit the follow if you like what you see. Again, my name is Osi. This is the first time seeing me, guys. They call me the Cabin Cowboy, okay? Come out, subscribe so you don't miss my future episodes. Thanks for watching. Come back and see me anytime. Checking out. Y'all be blessed and have a happy weekend.
Hello everyone. Today I want to show you guys our beautiful park model called the Rocky. And as you guys can see, it's gorgeous outside of it. It features the ribbed metal with the accent cedar. It's absolutely gorgeous. And we have beautiful windows that I'm going to show you guys inside and show you more. But these are Anderson windows, double paint, easy cleaning, easy open, and all that good stuff. And it's a 12 by 37. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, beautiful kitchen, and all the stuff that you guys really need in a park model. So let's go inside and I'll show you this beautiful model. Alright, so as you guys walk in, you see the kitchen. It's a small kitchen, but it really has everything that you need. It has a mini fridge here, a 4-burner stove with a little oven. I don't know if this is a full-size oven, but I think it's a mini size. But your sink and a window right over the sink, cabinets down below. And I think you can maybe upgrade the cabinets up here if you want to, but for right now, you know, we wanted to have this cute shelves, you know, to put any decoration, mugs, or anything that you have. And as you can see over here, we have this beautiful big window, make it very nice and airy. It's very bright in here, very welcoming. And over here, and you have a little storage up here on top of the fridge too, which is really nice and spacious. You can store a lot of stuff here. You can use it as your little pantry. And the fridge, and I think they put down like a little, like a space for your spices or anything you want to store. And as you walk this way, you have the bathroom. It's nice and spacious for our remodel. It's a what do you call it?
Walk-in shower.
Walk-in shower.
Yep.
And we have the washer and dryer stackable up here, and again another storage up there, and more storage over here. As you turn in your medicine cabinet, I really like these. I like the accent colors and everything. And more storage over here to store your makeup, your whatever you have. And we have some drawers down here. These are really nice.
Got the slow close.
Slow close. That's important. And like if any cleaning supplies you got, you can store down here. And then another beautiful window over here. Make it again very nice and spacious. And actually a small, if you can get that small window again in the bathroom. We don't have this hooked to electricity or anything, but you can see how bright that is. And then right on this side, far end, we have the bedroom.
Yeah, and there is electricity in the unit. We just don't have it hooked up, obviously.
That's right.
We have 200 amp electric or 110, whichever you need. We can run that electric throughout the whole
And we have the mini split head over here. It's a Bosch.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's one of the nicer ones, right?
Yes, Bosch mini splits, and like she mentioned, you got your double pane Anderson windows, top of the line Anderson
Right,
windows.
so you can control it with the remote controller.
Yeah.
Put it right back in so you don't lose it.
You got your tongue and groove knotty pine ceiling, and we got that stained dark.
I want to talk about the ceiling that goes throughout the whole RV. It's gorgeous. What is it? You said it's tongue and groove?
Tongue and groove pine.
I like the accent colors.
Yep.
Oh, look at that up there.
Yep, wide open.
Wide open, so cool.
Again, guys, when you have a smaller space, you always want to go light walls, dark ceiling, dark floors, and big windows. That way it really opens up the whole home and makes it feel a lot larger than what it is. And one of the things that I wanted to touch on real quick is these walls, guys. I know it looks on film like it's drywall or sheetrock. It is not. Okay, this is birch plywood. Listen to this. You hear that? That's solid wood, guys. That's not sheetrock or drywall. And the reason the Amish use this product is, again, real wood quality. And when you ship these things down the road, you know what happens to drywall. It might warp, it might break. Well, birch plywood is not going to do that. This is solid wood. So these things are built solid, built to last, built by the Amish. Okay, so moving on, Nadia.
You can get that another head.
Yeah, got another Bosch mini split over there. Mm-hmm. And again, you see the theme with the recessed lights up top.
Very cool.
Dark ceiling again. You got your second Bosch mini split. And then you got bedroom number two.
Which has the sliding door. Very cool.
Yep, got you a pocket door right there for privacy. You go in.
And another window over here again. So many windows for our remodel, right?
Yeah.
I didn't count, but there are so many windows throughout. And this is the electric.
There's your electric there.
How does this open?
It just,
Oh, I didn't look too far.
it's a little slippery because it's wet. It's okay.
Oh, there you go.
There we go. Got it
Very
open
nice
there.
and clean.
Yeah, it's a humid day out here today, guys. So, but we wanted to get this video out here for you guys to see the quality and the craftsmanship of this one we call the Rocky, aka the Rocky Balboa. Again, it's, you know, this will sleep 4, so you can say maybe put a full-size bed in here, or maybe twin bunk bed for the kiddos, and then mom and dad put a queen-size bed on the other side. Again, easily sleep 4 over here in this park model.
It's really a cute little RV park model.
Yeah, very functional space. Again, you got your GFIs here. All your outlets ready to go.
This is
Really nice sink there.
Tons of cabinet space, like.
Yep. And again, too, remember, guys, you're not stuck to this exact floor plan when you order yours. If you want to move things around a little bit, the Amish and the Mennonites that we work with are very flexible. Want to do a tongue and groove pine on the inside instead of all the white walls, and on the outside you want to go with you want to go with, say, a D-log siding to make it look more like a rustic cabin. Those are all things we can do as well, guys, so just keep that in mind. We can mix it up. Nadia, why don't we go outside and show them one last time? We'll do a walk around just so they can see the full walk around of this beautiful park model. All right, guys, today we're going to do a quick tour of the Big Bertha 3.0. This one is only $175,000. It is a 3-bed, 2-bath cabin. Beautiful structure. Let me do a quick little 360 here so you can kind of see what the downstairs looks like. It is a lofted cabin, so there is 2 bedrooms up on the 2nd floor. This is the downstairs living room area. Of course, you got your downstairs bedroom as well, so I guess we can start here. Downstairs bedroom has its own full bathroom, of course, with a walk-in shower that overlooks to the front porch. You got your bathroom cabinets here, and just a super cool downstairs little bedroom. This is a queen size bed for reference. You got your tongue and groove pine walls. Behind that you have your 2x6s with your insulation in it, and then of course on the other side of that you have your D-log siding. There's your electrical panel. Of course, you've got your light switches already ran. This one is a plug and play cabin ready to roll. This is the downstairs living room area, and we have this wood stove here just to kind of set the stage here. Obviously, we now carry a beautiful line of wood stoves, so you'll see that here on our website really soon. That's the stairs to go upstairs. There's a door, you'll notice, right here underneath the stairs, and that door is your 40-gallon water heater. Okay, now remember, you can also go tankless if you want to go with a tankless water heater as a space saver. Haven't had my coffee yet option. And here you have a little kind of nook here where most people put like a little dining room table. Here you have your beautiful galley kitchen, and this comes with everything you see here. So all your Naughty Pine kitchen cabinets, all your electric appliances, your microwave, your stove. You can see we got a dishwasher, refrigerator, and of course you got this nice big window at the end allowing all kinds of natural light to come in. So just a super cool galley kitchen. And then you got a little closet right here, or pantry, I should say. Trying to keep this video short for you guys real quick. Here you got a spot for your stackable washer and dryer, downstairs bathroom, and a little cupboard here for your bathroom essentials. And remember, we can always switch that to a tub if you don't want like a walk-in shower. And let me go quickly upstairs and show you guys the 2nd floor. Up on the 2nd floor, you have like this A-frame style bedroom. Super cute, super cozy. Does have 2 windows in it. That's the dormer on the front of the cabin. And then this window here, that's a queen size bed for reference. And again, the beautiful Naughty Pine tongue and groove walls. And look at this huge lofted area here. You could fit 3 king size beds over here, guys. Obviously, we have this set up as an office, but most folks will wall this off and set this up as a 3rd bedroom. It's huge up here, guys. Again, the dimensions of this cabin is 14 by 46. So you got 14 by 46 times 2 because this is a 1.5-story cabin. So lots of livable, usable space here, guys.